Good morning internet, it is 7 o'clock in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am preparing breakfast. Today I decided to go for egg sandwiches. Here are the eggs, they're the sandwiches. Three eggs, why not? I need it because today I think it's going to be a good day with loads of riding. I'm going to ride the TED today, the Trans-Euro Trail, or at least part of it, here in Sweden. It rained almost the entire night, so everything is dirty. The tent is wet and dirty everywhere. But hey, now it is dry, which is fantastic. So let's hope it stays like that. I have some pepper and salt mix with me, so I am all prepared. Finally, everything is packed. It is now 20 to 9. Let's go! Well, the weather definitely cleared up. So as I said before, today I'm going to ride part of the Swedish TED, the Trans-Euro Trail. But to get to the trail, I first have to ride about 200 kilometers on a paved road. So I have absolutely no idea where I'm going to end up tonight. I'll be camping. I'll definitely have to camp anyway because the tent is just so dirty and wet still. So, but that's okay because if I'm riding on the trail, then I can just easily camp anywhere. So let's see how far I'll go. It all depends a little bit on how difficult the track is, I guess. So this right here is Lake Siljan that I was talking about in the previous video. And you would think, just a lake, right? But this lake once was the place of the biggest meteor impact in Europe. So that happened about 377 million years ago, and the impact of the meteor had the same force as 500 million atomic bombs. Just, can you imagine that? Well, the result was this 75-kilometer crater basically, which is now, we find it here as Lake Siljan. Oh, it's a chilly morning, honestly. It's sunny now, but it's not very warm. I think it's maybe 10 degrees Celsius or something. Wow, they have an American 50s diner here in Sweden, in the Swedish countryside. An American diner. I arrived in the town called Sveg, and I'm just going to fill up on petrol here before I get on the trail. This is where I'm gonna start with the TED. I just came from that road. I just put my phone here so it's a bit easier for me to navigate. Oh. Oh. Immediately becomes very rocky. That. Even is a sign here. Yeah, I would have missed it otherwise. Oh, nice. Oh. There we go. This is where the fun starts. didn't see that coming. Oh, that went right in my face. Trail is quite sandy in parts. But because of the rain, it's a little bit compacted, so it's not too bad. Time for a break. It is a cold day. There is this icy cold wind coming from the north. Man, I am so cold. I think it's even colder today than all this time in Iceland, I'm thinking. Doesn't look like it, but yeah, the wind is just absolutely freezing. But it doesn't matter because I am loving the ride. The trail was really easy, to be honest. Some parts I can even ride 80 kilometers an hour. So it's easy to follow as well. Navigation, easy peasy. And yeah, I'm just riding through the forest and then there's lakes everywhere. It is 1:30 already. So I'm quickly going to eat 2 sandwiches and then ride a little bit more. And then find a place to set up the tent for tonight. Go Ronin! How about this as a spot? So the tent is done. I just put it right there in the middle since I am the only one here. I am now on a quest for water. I need water for cooking and there's a lake right there somewhere. Shouldn't be too far. But I have to just find a way to get to the lake. And in the meantime I also rang, well, the whole of Sweden it feels like, for tires. When I get back I'll show you the rear tire. Front is still okay, but the rear tire, it's not gonna last very long anymore. I did notice that in Stockholm, but I was like, it'll be fine. But then, yeah, I don't know, that last bit always goes super fast. And I was planning to have it done like really in the north of Sweden, quite close to the border with Finland. And I thought, you know what, let me just ring them to see if they have some tires. Well, I rang all of them and nobody has tires. They only have street tires. Nothing like dual purpose like. So that's not good news. So now I'm thinking that my next stop, I'm now trying to get tires there. So it's a bit closer. It's a bit bigger place. Oh dear, how do I get to the lake? This is going to be a bit of a mission, I'm afraid. So anyway, I spoke to one motorcycle shop in Umeå and they are going to, well, they have to order it. All the other shops also said, yeah, we have to order them, but that will take a week. And I was like, a week? It's too long. But the one in Umeå said it may take 2 days if he orders them today. So he's gonna call me back. And then let's see. Really hope that he can get me the tires that I need. The ones that I have now, those are those Dunlop Trail Max. And I've now done, what was it? 7,500 kilometers on it. So I will do about 8,000. Ooh. I see the lake. It's over there. See it? But anyway, first water. So that's 4 liters. That's plenty enough for cooking. But if you hang it up here and you open this, see? It's awesome. So you can also use it to wash your hands. As promised, I'll show you the tires. So this is the rear. See, you can see it. See, so in the middle there is not much left at all. And well, I do think I could make it until that northern part of Sweden, but I don't want to wait 1 week for tires. So yeah, I'd rather change it a little bit earlier and wait less, and it'll also be a better feeling anyway. Front tire still pretty good. This is still okay, but yeah, always change the entire set. In any case, yeah, let's see what tires I can get. As always, when we talk about tires, I get a lot of recommendations about all sorts of tires, but in any case, in this bike it doesn't have a very easy size. Especially the rear tire is a bit of an unusual size, so a lot of the more common tires don't actually fit. Now you could go a little bit taller, you could go a little bit wider, but I don't really want to do that. But tires that do fit this motorcycle are the Pirelli MT60s, and I have quite some experience with those because those were also on the Royal Enfields. So if I can get those, then I'll be more than happy. Just anything really. Yeah, any tire as fast as possible, and then I just can continue riding. So all right, dinner time. I'm having one more of these. This is the last one. It's the curry fruit rice. And the whole fruit with the curry didn't really sound very appealing to me, so that's probably why I kept it for last. But now I'm quite happy that I still have it because it's such an easy meal. Almost boiling. Very good. So I am working on a little fire for tonight. And in the meantime, I'm transferring all my recordings of today to my computer, to my external hard disk. That has to be done. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.